So I know you said, I did your guided pause questions. I asked who I was. I tried to get in touch with who I am, but I didn't get anything back. I didn't feel anything. I didn't get any clarity, no sign, no aha moment, no manifestation. And what you're really saying underneath that is, well, I did the guided pause questions and I inquired into who I was, but I must have done it wrong. Or worse, maybe you thought, well, maybe this isn't working for me at all, right? So let me say this clearly, slowly for you again, right? That the quiet that you're sensing, that nothingness, that blank space you met when you paused, that is it. That's it. See, what most people don't realize is they're not actually upset that they got nothing, right? They're upset that they didn't get a feeling, they didn't get a clear image, a rush of peace, their manifestation, a spiritual high, an answer wrapped in golden light. But that expectation, that pressure to get something out of doing these activities like these guided pause questions, that's the mind again. That's the very loop the guided pause question was pointing you beyond. And you can find out more about my guided pause questions if you're new here in my Manifestation 101 playlist. I'm Dr. Anila, and welcome. So let's say you've been in a concert for many hours, the music's blasting, people shouting, and then you finally walk outside, right? And it's quiet, but your ears are still ringing. Your nervous system is still buzzing. You almost miss the silence because you're still vibrating from that noise. Maybe you've experienced that. And the guided pause, the pause is like that. The experience of the pause is like that. At first, you may not notice what you're in because you've been chasing sound for so long that silence can feel like nothing. But if you're allowing yourself to go there often, then you start to realize that the silence is everything. This nothingness is everything. The pause is not meant to give you something. It's meant to show you what you already are. And what you are doesn't need to feel anything special, doesn't need to get answers to be complete, doesn't need to be told who they are. So yeah, you are awareness. You are the seeing, not just the scenery, right? You're not waiting for wisdom to arrive one day. You are that wisdom. And sometimes that looks like silence. Sometimes it looks like stillness, no signal. But just because it's subtle does not mean it's not working. Doesn't mean that your manifestation is delayed or that answers are not coming your way. And I know you like some of my client stories. So one of my clients, and I think even in the comment section, but especially this client was feeling like she was too much for people. She had journaled about it. She therapied it, shadow worked it to death. Right. And then she tried some of these guided pauses that you've been playing with. And when she asked, am I aware? She waited and nothing came. And then her mind was like, oh, this is just me avoiding. I need to dig deeper. And then I asked her a question. I was like, can you notice that you're the one aware of all of these thoughts about being too much? And then like quiet, right? There's no lightning bolt, no insight, just stillness. But something subtle had happened. The story, as we began exploring, it didn't feel sticky anymore. It didn't have the same pull. It didn't feel like it was hers. She realized like she did not need to heal being too much. She just needed to stop seeing that it was true, right? And that clarity did not shout, it whispered. So, yeah, let me ask you something. When you paused, when you used any of these questions and felt nothing, was there still awareness of the nothing? Were you aware of not feeling anything? Were you aware of wanting a response? Just notice. And that awareness is the whole point. So you didn't miss it. You met it, right? The mind wants a result, yours and mine. It wants an insight to tweet, a feeling to analyze, a certainty it can write down in a journal and return to like a trophy. But you're not a result. You're not a process. You're the one it's all happening to. And if this has been you lately, right? When you wake up in the morning, instead of trying to feel something profound, just sit, stand, whatever, be with your coffee. And just ask first thing in the morning, what is here right now without the label? Even if it's just blankness, even if the mind says, well, this is dumb, this is not going to get anything, let me just go back to affirming. Okay, good. Notice that. And then ask, well, who is noticing the blankness? That's you. That's home. It's where you and I live. Same home. Maybe another time in the afternoon when if a trigger arises, someone doesn't text back, your desire feels far, you get a dip in motivation, just pause and just ask, is this feeling proof of anything or is it just content? And once again ask, well, am I aware of this story, this feeling, this pressure? You're not fixing it. You're not pushing it away. You're seeing it from the sky, not the cloud. These are the questions you can use. And even if you want to play with something before bed, don't try to ask for clarity. Don't try to resolve the day. Just ask again, what is here right now, right before the label, without the thought. And let whatever rises rise. Let whatever does not rise, let it not. You're not the one who needs to make the pause work. You're the one who's already resting inside it because you are it. So if you're someone who said, well, I did the guided pause and I got no answer and you said you got no answer. Well, my response is perfect. That means you actually paused. You actually did not interfere. You didn't try to control it. And that's exactly the opening where life starts to move in your favor. And I know the mind won't clap for that. It won't throw you a party for doing nothing. But your being, meaning awareness, it's smiling because it knows it's here. It's finally being seen. You're not doing this to get a result. You're just doing this to just recognize what's here, that the result you were looking for was never separate from you. And you know this, you are already what you are looking for. So let's stay with the pause, not to get something, but to stop needing to. And if you're needing to get something, that's okay too. Because that's where the real clarity shows up. It's not noise, it shows up as peace. And that is everything. And of course, what you desire, your manifestation, is naturally your pleasant side effect. And yeah, if you want to explore some of your stories, that's where my one-on-one coaching comes in. Very experiential. It's not more information. It's tailored to you, and you can find the details in the link below, or you can find my mini courses as well in the comments below or the description box below. And I'd love to see your insights in the comments. I will see you there.